This is a Eton 90R quad, and the oil pump had quit working, and I have not seen very many videos on how you get in to change this pump, because when you try to remove the pump goes right here. When you try to remove that pump, which is this guy, unless you remove this side, all the electronics here and the cover, you cannot get this pump out because this hose barb right here hits the cylinder. So you have to remove all of this to get that pump out. But when you get that pump out, go ahead and pull the stator off. It just slides right off. And behind there is this plastic gear. It's held on with a snap ring here. And just make sure that this gear is not stripped. So this gear rides like this on this pump. Turns the pump. If that gear is stripped out, your new pump won't pump oil. So I hope this is helpful. I could not find any real good information about this. It's really not that hard of a job to pull it apart. But make sure to do this last step. There's a little paper gasket that sits behind there, and if you just take that off real carefully, all that's there for is to hold that grease there inside the case. So hope that helps. So this is what it looks like reassembled with fresh grease in there. Cover back on and put it all back together. Here it is partially put back together. You see the new pump here. Small line runs up to that filter port in the carburetor. This line runs back oil tank. It is too short, so a longer piece of hose. But I've got the cable hooked back up here, and you can see when you pull throttle, it's more oil, less oil, more oil, less oil. So that's how it works.